Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shower squeegees that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're tired of streaky shower doors, stubborn soap scum, or water spots on your mirrors, these products might just be what you need. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's dive into the countdown. At number 5, we have the Rock All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee in black. This product boasts a 10-inch silicone blade paired with a rust-resistant stainless steel handle, making it a durable option for both wet and humid environments. Its sleek black finish is modern and complements any contemporary bathroom decor. The adhesive hook it comes with ensures easy storage and accessibility, which is always a plus. In terms of performance, a Rock Squeegee does a solid job of removing water, soap scum, and limescale from a variety of surfaces, including shower doors, mirrors, and tiles. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during longer cleaning sessions. However, at 7 ounces, it's slightly heavier than other options, which might be noticeable if you're using it for extended periods. Still, its streak-free and squeak-free wipes ensure a polished finish every time. The Rock Squeegee is an all-rounder that works well indoors and outdoors, but it doesn't particularly stand out in any one area. If you're looking for a reliable squeegee at a competitive price, this is a good option. Pros include its sturdy build and versatile design, while cons include its weight and slightly less comfortable grip compared to other models. Coming in at number 4 is the Set Sail Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. This product features a premium 304 stainless steel frame that's rust-free and built to last. Its 10-inch silicone blade ensures streak-free cleaning with minimal noise, making it an excellent option for those who value both efficiency and quiet operation. The lightweight design, featuring a plastic handle, provides a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue during use. Performance-wise, the Set Sail Squeegee excels at removing water, soap scum, and limescale from smooth surfaces like shower doors, tiles, mirrors, and car windows. The included strong adhesive hook ensures convenient storage without the need for drilling, which is a thoughtful touch. However, while the plastic handle is lightweight and easy to hold, it doesn't offer the same premium feel as the all-metal options on this list. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a durable, rust-resistant squeegee that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Pros include its high-quality materials, low noise level, and strong adhesive hook, while the cons are its less premium handle material and relatively lighter build that might not feel as robust as other options. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Highwear All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. This product is designed for versatility, tackling everything from shower doors and mirrors to windows and car glass. Its stainless steel handle and 10-inch silicone blade make it a durable and efficient option for streak-free cleaning. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver. What sets the Highwear Squeegee apart is its even blade construction, which provides consistent and squeak-free water removal. It also comes with waterproof adhesive hooks for easy storage, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. However, while it performs well on flat and smooth surfaces, it might struggle a bit with uneven tiles or textured glass. This squeegee is ideal for those who want a versatile, reliable cleaning tool for multiple surfaces. Pros include its lightweight design, ergonomic handle, and all-purpose functionality, while cons are its slightly limited performance on textured surfaces and the lack of a more innovative design compared to higher-ranked options. Our runner-up is the Dance Moon Just Hang Shower Squeegee. This product stands out with its innovative all-one-piece silicone design and built-in hook, which eliminates the need for additional mounting hardware. It hangs effortlessly on shower doors, towel bars, or even sink edges, making it a convenient and space-saving option. The minimalist design combined with its durable silicone construction ensures no crevices for mold or cracks to develop. The Dance Moon Squeegee excels in streak-free cleaning thanks to its high-quality silicone blade that glides smoothly across surfaces. The ergonomic 145-degree angled handle provides a comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. It's a versatile tool that works well on shower glass, mirrors, tiles, and even car windows. However, its all-silicone build might lack the premium feel of stainless steel options, which could be a downside for some users. If you're looking for a stylish, low-maintenance squeegee that prioritizes convenience and functionality, the Dance Moon is a fantastic choice. Pros include its seamless design, built-in hook, and excellent cleaning performance, while cons are its less premium feel and slightly higher price point for its silicone construction. And finally, taking the top spot is the Rock all-purpose stainless steel shower squeegee in silver. This squeegee offers the perfect combination of durability, performance, and design. Its rust-resistant stainless steel handle and premium silicone blade ensure a long-lasting, streak-free cleaning experience. The ergonomic anti-slip grip makes it comfortable to use, even during extended cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of this squeegee is its versatility. It works exceptionally well on shower glass doors, tiles, mirrors, and even car windows, making it a must-have for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. The included adhesive hooks are a convenient addition, allowing you to store the squeegee within easy reach. At just 8.4 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between being lightweight and sturdy. This product is ideal for anyone who wants a high-quality, all-purpose squeegee that delivers consistent results. Pros include its premium build quality, ergonomic design, and versatile functionality, while the only con is its slightly higher weight compared to the Dance Moon squeegee. Overall, this is our top pick for the best shower squeegee in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect shower squeegee for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next one.